Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll show you another important master data, that is the mixing ratios. So that is also one of the key master data being used in product costing. So before going to that topic, I hope you all are doing good and in order to maintain the mixing ratio master data, in order to create the mixing ratio master data, we should know the production version and procurement alternative master data as well. So I hope by the time you all know those production version and procurement alternative master data. If you don't know, then I do have those master data videos uploaded on my channel. So I'll share those links in my description box below, so that you can go through and you can understand the topics, you can understand the theory, you can understand the process. So let us start today's topic, that is the mixing ratio. So as we discussed earlier, it is very much dependent upon the procurement alternative. So mixing ratio, as we discussed earlier, procurement alternatives are those alternatives which all can be one of your alternative in order to achieve your process of procuring a material. Say, as I had given the example earlier, that if I need to achieve a process of reaching to my office, then I do have plenty of alternatives available, as bus can one of my alternative, train can one of my alternative, and walking can one of my alternative as well. So all of them certainly will be having some costs associated with it. Say if I use bus, then the cost of the same is say 30%. If I use train, then the cost of the same can be 45%. Now if I use walking, then it is basically 0. So but it is basically 0 in terms of what? In terms of money, but there must be some cost associated with, which is my calorie cost. Once if I am walking, then I am losing my calories, so that is also one of my cost. My energy is being lost, so that is also one of the cost. So that cost, let me assume 25. So these all are the costs associated against my procurement alternatives. So these are the procurement alternatives and these are my costs. So I hope this concept is clear to you. I have given this kind of example because it will be easier for you to understand. If I give you example of producing a material and their costs, then it may be a bit difficult for you to understand. So I think these examples will be easier for you to understand. Now I am going to SAP and I am going to show you. Let me first of all show you the my procurement alternative display. I am going to my procurement alternative display, that is CK93. I am displaying my procurement alternative. Here I do have two alternatives. Okay, one is this one, another one is this one, that is 0001, another is 0002. So I do have these two procurement alternatives. Now I am going to create the mixing ratios against those two alternatives. So the transaction used for mixed costing is, mixing ratio is CK94. I am going to CK94. Now I have entered my plant material, I have entered my quantity structure type, I will enter my year, fiscal year. Now I will just press enter. Now see, as I have shown you, the two alternatives have automatically come, as I only have the two alternative associated against my plant material level. So now here I will give their mixing ratios. Say the first alternatives gets 60% and the second alternative gets 40%. So given, now I will just save it. Mixing strategies saved. Fine, fantastic. Now I am going to display the same, that is display display mixing ratios been displayed. So the direct transaction of displaying the mixing ratio is CK95. Let me try CK95. I have entered all the parameter. Let me enter the year as well. It is displayed successfully. So that's the concept of mixing ratios. I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please do comment in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll surely come up with next video within few days, and next video will be the mixed costing. Till that we have seen plenty of costing. One was with the without quantity structure, one was with the with quantity structure based on the BOM and routing, and this time it would be again a mixed again a costing with quantity structure based on mixed costing. So that will be another kind of costing. So till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.